हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम आकाश कुमार है और इस वीडियो में हम लोग देखेंगे कि एक इमेज व्यू में मल्टीपल इमेज कैसे पुट करते हैं, हाउ टू पुट मल्टीपल इमेज इन अ सिंगल इमेज व्यू एंड हाउ टू सेव इट इन योर गैलरी। उसे हम लोग अपने फ़ोन की गैलरी में कैसे सेव करेंगे। सो इस ट्यूटोरियल के जो मेजर कंपोनेंट हैं वो हैं camerax, LayerList, LayerDrawable और mediastore. So mediastore will be used to save data in your gallery from the Android 8 and above. For the rest of the Android phones, we will discuss it later in the next video part of this session. So the first major part of our tutorial is camerax. So let me discuss about this, the camerax, which has been used in our project very frequently. So let me discuss it with the code and let me introduce with the camerax in our project. सो दोस्तों, ये रहे हमारे प्रोजेक्ट के 4 मेजर कंपोनेंट, camerax, LayerList, LayerDrawable और mediastore. सो फ्रेंड्स, लेट मी एक्सप्लेन ऑल ऑफ द कंपोनेंट्स वन बाय वन. सबसे पहले हम लोग camerax को पिक करते हैं. सो दोस्तों, camerax की इम्प्लीमेंटेशन के लिए रिक्वायर्ड परमिशन हमें मैनिफेस्ट में डिक्लेयर करना पड़ेगा, जैसे कि हार्डवेयर कैमरा डॉट एनी, कैमरा का परमिशन, रिकॉर्ड ऑडियो, राइट एक्सटर्नल स्टोरेज. एंड ये रही डिपेंडेंसी camerax की ग्रेडल डिपेंडेंसीज, जो कि आप कोड लैब से सीधे कॉपी करके अपने प्रोजेक्ट में डाल सकते हैं. जस्ट कॉपी एंड पेस्ट दिस ऑल डिपेंडेंसी इनसाइड योर ग्रेडल फाइल टू implement camerax into your project. So friend, camerax is a Jetpack support library which make camera implementation very easier. It provide easy to use API surface with background compatibility to Android 5.0 API 21. So actually it provide broad device coverage. It provide us use case interface to handle camera, which allows us to focus on task instead of device management. The major component of the camerax is preview, which gets an image on the display. The another major component of camerax is image analysis, which is basically used to analyze image whenever the camera switch on. It is generally used to pass the image information via ML kit. The another part is image capture and save photos, and the another part is video capture. So the image capture part, the image capture use case provide a method that is called take picture. Yes, and in that take picture we will have output option, context compatibility, get main executor, and then after image capture dot on image saved callback. In that callback we will have on error method, the predefined overridden method will be on error method, and then after we will have override function on image saved. In the on image saved we will have image capture, that is output file results, and from image capture we will get the image capture dot output file results, from where we will get the URI of the saved image. Then after you can convert that URI, you can get your bitmap from that URI, and then after bitmap can be used accordingly in our image view. So this was the part of camerax which has been used in this project to store image. You can choose any alternate source also in your code to implement the image. Suppose from gallery you can pick the image. I am picking image from the camerax. So friends, when your image has been captured, you can use that image to convert it into the bitmap or whatever you want. So now we have image in our hand. Then we will use LayerDrawable and LayerList to change it accordingly, but right now here we are creating object of LayerDrawable. So in this LayerDrawable I am calling that meterLayer.xml file from drawable, which include layer lists. Inside that layer list there are items, and inside that and with that item there is also bitmap for each item. So the final combination of the XML file is layer list. Inside that layer list there is items have ID, height, width, left, top, whatever, and that item also have images. So there are as much item you can put it. So we have layer list item, and each item has its bitmap, and each item also have their IDs. So we are calling that XML file having layer list and items into the LayerDrawable, and that LayerDrawable has been used to set that XML file into the image view via the imageview.setImageDrawable inside our project. Imageview.setImageDrawable, then in bracket you will put the LayerDrawable. So now the LayerDrawable has been created and the image view has been set. So how to change the each items dynamically, each items bitmap dynamically? For that there are set drawable by layer id, each layer having id. So we will put that id here, and then after we will also put the new image which we want to put into that layer list item. So the method which will be called will the LayerDrawable dot set drawable by layer id. We have to put that layer id, items id, and then the new image which we want to replace. So via these all stuff we can change images dynamically into the single image view. Once the image has been saved, once the images has been clicked and it has been placed into the image view, then you can save image from the bitmap from the image view directly in the form of bitmap. We can save that image. We can save that image. Now we are saving our image from image view into the device. So to save that image from image view, we are using save from bitmap. The image from image view will be saved as a bitmap format. So friends, we are going to save our image in our gallery. Basically things are changing very fast in the technical world, and if you want to be Android developer, you have to keep updating. So here is how we are going to save bitmap to our gallery. Basically we will be required content resolver, content values, and we will insert file information inside it. Then after the file will be saved inside our gallery part. So finally we are ready to launch our demo. Inside this demo we are having two buttons, take picture and the save. We are having a image view and we are having the picture number. So we will click the image and it will be populated into the image view concurrently. So then after we will save it into the device, and here is how we are saving it into the device. The combined dynamic pictures has been saved as a one single image from the image view into our gallery part.